All right, hello everyone. Welcome. I'm holding my coffee. I'm sorry for that. That's okay. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mike, and this is IPO Market Watch. But IPO Market Watch does not cover just IPOs. I cover stocks already trading on the market. If you want ideas about stocks that might be a good buy or not, Cisco one. That I don't know why people fear Cisco. Cisco had really good earnings, and it fell because of software guidance. Who cares? It's a great company. I mean. Anytime you get great companies, like if Apple were to fall a little bit, would you be scared? Why would you be scared? Those are great companies. That's just my opinion. And many other stocks, if you want to know about, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. And so in this video, guys, we're going to look at ticker symbol LGCL, Lucas GC Limited. This is going public, but it's actually a very interesting company, and there's actually a mistake on Webull that I want to correct. And maybe I should take off my glasses, because for some reason, because the light is shining on the glasses and that doesn't really look that good, I guess. So Lucas GC Limited, guys, it has filed for a $6.5 million US IPO. It's a very small company. The company provides recruiting services and software in China, and they state in their SEC filing that they use artificial intelligence. Why wouldn't you? You state that because, that's the trend. Why wouldn't you? Even if you're using ChatGPT, let's say, you'll say, hey, I got AI. First of all, before we get to that, guys, SGD, this stock went from 50 cents within like literally a day, 2 days. It went from 50 cents, actually a day, yesterday, from 50 cents to $7.50. $7.50, $8 was the highest it reached. It was insane, 800+% gains or higher than that. Now, how you could have possibly known about this? Well, pumps and dumps are very hard to get, to pick up on. But if you are a member of Bull Market Watch, by getting into the link on the bottom, patreon.com/Bull Market Watch, if you're a member of Bull Market Watch, you have access to the latest news at the fastest speeds. You're gonna get the news first before it goes to the broker. Example, SGD, we had gotten this alert that you see here at 10:48 a.m. in the morning in Bull Market Watch, November 6th, 2023, when the stock was trading at $1.25, and it was a halt alert right away, and so on. There were members who looked at that halt alert. There were, and they picked up on it right away, and then they went and looked at the stock, and they saw that it had a very small float, and you put those things together, and you think to yourself, well, it's going to go higher, right? So, and there's much more. There's dark pool and 30 other tools you can use in my Discord. It's insane. You have access to what I buy and sell. Join us if you want to be ahead of the game. Now, Lucas GC Limited has one mistake, which may not be the company's fault, actually. I think it's Webull. Webull shows that the price range will be $6 to $7. Okay, fine. It's available for pre-order, and you can pre-order it. It's going to go public on November 24th. But when people see that the shares to be issued are going to be 750,000 shares, everyone's going to get excited and like, yeah, okay, China IPO, 750,000 shares, I'm all in. It's going to explode on day one. And I'm not saying that it won't pop on day one, but the 750,000 shares that Webull is showing for people to pre-order is wrong. It's not going to be 750,000 shares. It's actually going to be close to 3.1 million shares. So 3 million shares guaranteed. This is on November 7th, a SEC filing, amended SEC filing from the company. Starts off with ladies and gentlemen, and goes on to explain, guys, who the underwriter is. The underwriter is Prime Number Capital, and they say that they are giving the underwriter the right and to issue and sell an aggregate of 3 million shares, right? It's not going to be 750,000 shares, so 3 million shares, guys. With that being said, though, this is a China-based company, and it was founded to develop a software as a service-based human capital management platform for the enterprise human resource function and incorporating into that artificial intelligence. The company offers permanent employment recruitment, flexible employment recruitment, outsourcing, and they have received $17.4 million in investments from MLT Holdings. Looking at the revenue, guys, in 2020, $32 million, 2021, $97 million, and for the first 6 months of 2022, $45.1 million. Gross profit loss went from $8 million to $26 million. Gross margin is on an average of about 30%. 1%. The operating profit loss that you can see here went from $407,000 to over $5 million. Comprehensive income loss here at $622,000 to over $5 million. And the cash flow from operations goes from $942,000 to over $9 million. The company has $4.3 million in cash. They have $15 million in total liabilities. Their free cash flow is positive $5.8 million. And the most interesting part about this is that the float to outstanding shares ratio is going to be 1.8%. I have never seen such a low number for that. That's the lowest all year long in 2023. Market cap is at 338 million, enterprise value 329 million, and the rest that you can see here, operating margin 4.9%. Valuation score 2 out of 5. What I like and what I don't like. First of all, I don't like the company and the financials and all that stuff. I believe that this company is really bad investment for the long term, medium term, long term. I think it's a really bad investment. But if you wanted to pre-order this so you can sell it on day one, right? Would that be a good one, right? To pre-order and just get rid of it on day one on a pop. Here's where it gets tricky. I think that it will pop, in my opinion. I think that it will. I just don't like the price that we have to pay to pre-order. I think it's too much. I would have preferred it if it was $4, right? So I kind of don't like that price. But I'm also thinking that, you know what, this probably might pop on day one. Overall, just to be safe, I'm going to stay out of it, all right? Because this year has not really been such a good year with IPOs. Let me know in the comment section below if you would get in or not. There's a lot of them that are interesting, right? And this might pop, but me personally speaking, I'm just going to stay out because there's other opportunities on the stock market which are more established, like putting money in Cisco. All right, guys, I wish you guys all the best. Take care.